Okay, the question was raised that how do you make a clickable link on an individual or team entry form if you do not have a professional PDF editing program like Adobe Acrobat? So you can do it without, and I'll kind of walk you through those steps here. So number one, make sure you're logged in the BPA, go to your Compete section, and go to the Workplace Skills Assessment Program Download Center. Once you're in there, you're going to be scrolling down, and you're going to be looking for either the individual or team entry form that you need for your particular contest. But make sure you're not downloading the PDF version. Make sure you download the Microsoft Word DocX version. Go ahead and click and download that. And once you have it, you're just going to simply open up your Google Drive. Hopefully you have a Google Drive. If not, you can create one. They're free. You just basically drag that doc file directly into your Google Drive, and it's going to make it editable for you regardless of whether or not you have Microsoft Office. So now it has been converted to a Google Doc. I'm going to double click to open that. Make sure, number one, that you notice it says handwritten and incomplete forms will not be accepted across the top here in bold. So all this you can now click in here and type. So you would type your event number, event name, the date, software used. But the one that is most interesting for people this year is URLs must be clickable. Okay, so I would just simply click here and type. Let's say this is one of the video contests, youtube.com, and then you would obviously put your more direct link. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to link. That is now a clickable link. So you cannot turn in a doc file to your BPA pre-submits. You need to turn in a PDF. So inside the Google Doc window, not the Chrome window, I'm going to go to File, Download As, PDF Document. And again, you would have filled all this out. Okay. So that will download. I'm going to go into my Downloads folder. And when I open that, I now have a clickable link. Notice how the pointer changed to a hand. This link will work. It's asking, do you want to open this from the internet? So that should solve your problem of not owning software that is like a more professional Acrobat. You should be able to do it with Google Docs at no cost.